The Western Port Biosphere is the only biosphere reserve in Victoria, and it's the most biodiverse area of the state. It goes from rainforest down to salt marsh and then into seagrass meadows, rocky reefs, sandy beaches and mangrove swamps. And in amongst that, there's an amazing diversity of fauna, from the terrestrial areas where you get the koalas, down to the hooded plovers on the beach, to the weedy sea dragons under the Flinders Pier. Within the Biosphere Reserve, there's also a Ramsar site, which is a system of wetland reserves that are set aside for migratory birds, and those shorebirds create connectivity to the rest of the world. The fact that we've still got it so close to urban areas is really quite amazing, and the fact that we have people passionate about protecting it is really inspiring.
The Western Port Biosphere is a large area, so every stakeholder is responsible to ensure that it is maintained and looked after. We practice regenerative agriculture here, meaning that we leave the land in a better condition than when we started. We are also part of the Western Port Biosphere Water Stewardship Program to better care for the waterways and the water usage that we're responsible for on this farm. We rely heavily on our partnerships, one of which is with the local Landcare group who we've been working with regenerating the waterway here.
Here we put in a lot of new bush, the trees, the grasses, the sedges, all the way down. All the creeks that are flowing into the ocean or into Western Port or into Port Phillip Bay. And so a little bit of improvement in the water here makes a big difference downstream.
This area has had rapid decline in mangroves over the years that we've noticed through satellite imagery. So we've partnered up with St Joseph's Primary School to plant around 3,000 mangrove plants within the Western Port Biosphere. Data shows that the mangroves have held around 70 different fish species just within Western Port alone. So it's a very important habitat, as well as being an important blue carbon ecosystem that's really good at sequestering carbon. It's actually very exciting seeing local kids contributing back into the environment in their local community, in their local waterways.
A lot of the mangroves are getting destroyed right now, so we're trying to replant them, and it's pretty special to come down here and do it. Also, we've made a home for other living creatures that live along these shores.